What do you think is a more reliable bike, the Honda CRF 150R or the CRF 150F? No brainer, man. That's the 150F. That 150F will run forever and cost you virtually nothing. The 150R, while yes, we've heard the stories about the people that have raced them every weekend for 20 years or whatever, and they've been fantastic. I'm telling you, I know from experience, the 150Rs are a high maintenance bike. They are just a lot more of a pain in the butt than any air-cooled play bike or trail bike is going to be. I think a lot of the kids riding the 150Rs, for what they're using it for, they should probably be on 150Fs. If you're not racing, you could do yourself a real favor by being on a 150F. It's just as fun and like none of the headache. I 100% recommend it if you're on the fence. If you're not trying to be Ricky Carmichael, go with the 150F.